Hello everyone, my name is Vrinda. Actually, I got selected for the Ayurvedic Medical Officer Haryana via AyurArmy. Initially, when the exam started, like screening test started, actually I never took any course. I prepared it myself. The screening test I got selected. I never thought I would get selected, but once I was selected, the next it was subjective exam, which I was very fearful. That is the time when I got to know about AyurArmy, and that is the time when I got to in the Telegram group I went in. There the information was given like how I have to prepare vagera. That time only Pranay Mishra sir was initiating a 100 questions which will be probable for the subjective exam, and I went through that 100 questions. It was very useful for me because the most of the questions, there were 18 questions, and I think about 17 questions were from those 100 questions he suggested us to learn. I only prepared what he said, from the AyurArmy team, whatever that 100 questions were, that is the only thing that I prepared. Even that also I couldn't complete preparing, but I kept preparing from that only. Nothing else. I was not much tensed also, so I was just preparing about that, and I went on and wrote the subjective exam. There I got selected, thankfully, thanks to AyurArmy and its team. Then came the interview part, where I was a little bit afraid because what will be asked, because I'm from Kerala, so probably I don't know what is the way or what kind of questions will be asked from a team from Haryana. So that is the time when AyurArmy came in for help, and they prepared us for the mock interview. We are two mock interview. One was in casual, the second was formal, like how we have to dress, what kind of attitude we have to keep in. That was all discussed, and later after that I gave both the mock. It was really good, very helpful, because I got to know that what kind of questions I have to prepare, because the recording was shared. It took about 1 week to complete, I think. All the recordings of those people, like every day we won't be able to attend since I'm already working. I'm working in Kerala and National Ayush Mission, so my time duration is very less, so every mock I won't be able to attend. So whatever mock every day, what happens, the team would send us the recordings, then I would review it by night and prepare myself. And when my mock comes, I would like to see everything, and the way whatever conducted way, like if it is formal dress, I will prepare myself in the formal dress and prepare. It helped me a lot, and finally I got selected for the AMO, thanks to the whole team of AyurArmy, especially to Pranay Mishra sir. Thank you so much, and I would suggest at the AyurArmy team, for if anyone is preparing for any competitive exams. Thank you.